everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I have a quick, easy, fun, summertime theme arts and craft for you. Now, I always get my arts and craft stuff from Dollar Tree. So that's what I did again. And we're going to get started here. I'm going to show you what I've already done and then tell you what I'm going to do. So, let's get into that. Alright, so I got this, of course, from Dollar Tree. I got these from Dollar Tree too. This, I just got the other day. What they are is you go into the craft section and you look at all the wood stuff. And it's just this shape and with this little thing on it so you can hang it up so you can make your own wood sign. Basically what it is. Blank, you can do anything to it. So that's what I'm doing. So I had an idea. So these seashells I actually got at Dollar Tree. And it's actually an Easter egg seashell. It's back around Easter time they had these different shapes of the plastic eggs. And I saw the seashells and I had to get them because they're perfect for summer, obviously. And I knew how to do something with them. Now what I did was, if you can tell, I have this glitter glue right here that I also got from Dollar Tree. And I put a little on the seashell in each little crevice. Because I wanted to give it a little sparkle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one on each bottom end here. Not sure that's completely dry, but I'm going to do it like this. See? So I got my hot glue gun. And that's what I'm going to do with these seashells. I think it's a little tricky sometimes. Okay. Oh, see? Just putting the glue around the edge. I have to do it back here, and then I'll stick it on, and hopefully it'll stay. Won't stick. Okay. There we go. So, this is one, and all I'm going to do is stick it like that, each end. I had a different idea, but this isn't as big as I thought for my idea, so I'm just using the ones down here at the bottom. So, do the same thing with this one, and my hot glue gun. I gotta see what I'm doing over here. All I'm doing is putting a little bit of the hot glue from the hot glue gun on the edge of the seashell. And then just going to stick it in the corner like that. There we go. And that's that. Now, that's done. I'm just going to leave my hot glue gun there for just a moment. So, like I said, I chose blue because it's a good summertime color. And as you can tell, like I said, you can kind of tell, you can kind of see the glitter that I put on the seashells. So, now, what I'm going to do now is, you can write anything you want. I think I'm just going to put like beach on it with like an arrow. And then around the top, I'm going to, and also kind of down the bottom and down here, and then kind of like around the edges, like here, 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 and here, where it pokes out, I'm going to put a little more glitter. So, I got my paint over here. So this is going to be second because I gotta get it up closer to me so I can write and paint here. So if I can get it open. There we go. Just clean this thing and I gotta clean it again. Alright, little white paint there. And oh, that's my big paintbrush I was using before. I'm going to grab one of my smaller paintbrushes. I think it's easier just to grab it from the container because it's right here. So, come out of there. Alright, these things don't really like to come out. Alright. Oops. That fell. Okay. Now I got a smaller paintbrush. I'm just going to dip it in there like so. Get a little bit wet, and then so basically all I'm going to do is somehow, because this is a really weird angle, but I'm just kind of going to write the word beach, even though this paintbrush is not the best. I'm going to do it the best that I can. Okay. I think it kind of looks kind of neat like that, really. There. That's not bad. And then I'm just gonna get the hair in my mouth. Gonna draw an arrow underneath of it. Like so. Okay, I gotta fix that. Or at least I'm gonna try to anyway. Well, it's not the best arrow in the world because my paintbrush keeps, you know, and I can't get it to a point, which is what I was trying to do. There we go. And then, it's not the best arrow in the world, but it will do. Will have yourself a little hangy summertime theme decoration. With a little bit of a sloppy arrow. I used too much white again. I mean, in my thingy. I always squirt out too much paint. Anyway. So now, we're going to take some of this glitter real quick. And then I'm just going to highlight some spots on it. So. At least I'm going to attempt to anyway. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit. There we go. On the arrow itself. Okay. There. So, now what I'm going to do is kind of just put some in each of these things here. And last but not least, a little dot down there. So, then one last part. I think I'm just gonna outline the beach and glitter too. The best I can anyway. Alrighty then. So, as soon as that dries, I could put the hanging part here back on it and then hang it up. And there you have just a quick and easy little summertime theme, beach theme, DIY decoration idea. So, I know my arrow's not the best. It's because my paintbrush isn't really the best, but it's not bad. I had a different idea before, but I can only find this size of the sign part. But this works too. So, that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy arts and crafts summertime decoration idea. And like I said, I got all my stuff at Dollar Tree. Now, I did get the seashells back around Easter time, like I said, because they had all these different plastic Easter eggs with different designs. And I saw a seashell one and I had to get it. So, of course. And so, it didn't turn out too bad. My arrow was a little sloppy, but that's the paintbrush. I try my best. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this arts and crafts video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, comment. Don't forget to click that little bell icon so you know when next video is coming out. And thank you for watching, and always remember that all of our social medias will always be linked in the description box below. And thank you for watching.